What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and today in this video I will be showing you how you can factory reset your Windows laptop and you can completely reinstall the entire Windows operating system again. So say you want to sell your laptop, or in case if you have a lot of malware on your laptop, or in case if there are a lot of junk file and folders and you want to reset your laptop. So this is a small tutorial. So the first thing that you have to ensure before you begin is that you have to connect your laptop to the power source the entire time. As you can see, my laptop is connected to the power source, so the entire time we do the process it should be connected to a power source. Now we are done with this. The next step is really easy to do. What you have to do is just hit the start key and simply search for reset. So once you search for reset, you can see we come up with this option that says reset this PC. So once you click on that option, you can open it up. So once you open it up, it will give you an option to reset the PC. So it simply says, as you can see in the description, in case if your laptop isn't working well, you can reset it. So once you click on get started, it will give you two options. So one is to keep all the files, like the personal files, and it will reset all the application and the settings. It will remove the settings. And the second option is it will remove everything, including your files, your personal application data, and also settings as well. So we will choose the second option. Once you click on it, it will start the process of resetting the laptop. So the next step is to reinstall the operating system. So it asks you which method you want to use. So you can either download the entire operating system from the cloud. If you have a good Wi-Fi connection, choose this option. In case if you want to do a local reinstall, you can select the second option. So for this video I will be selecting the second option, that is local reinstall. So it will reinstall the entire OS without downloading. So we'll click on local reinstall and it will start the process of erasing the entire laptop. You can see it says it will remove all the application files and also reinstall the Windows from this device itself. So we'll click on next and we will wait for the process and we will see how long it takes. Once again, it gives you all the details what it will go through. So you can see the time is currently 8:29 p.m. So we will see how much time it takes for the laptop to reset to its factory settings and also the reinstallation process. So you can see it's currently 9:48. So it took a good amount of time, around 1 hour and 20 minutes or 1 hour and 30 minutes to do the entire formatting and reinstalling of the operating system on this laptop. So this is a simple startup process. So we will quickly go through the startup process and we will see how the laptop performs. So you can see there are some important steps, like you can set it up as a personal laptop or a laptop for the organization. So I'll choose the option to set it up as a personal laptop or for a personal use. So finally we are done with the setting up of the laptop. You can see the final time is 9:56. So it almost take around 1 hour and 30 minutes for the total installation process. So I hope you liked the video. It was a quick and easy tutorial on how to factory reset and reinstall the Windows operating system on your Windows laptop. Thank you for watching. This is Aftab. Have a great day, and if you like the video, do like, do subscribe, do comment and do share the video. Thank you for watching.